Hit that song. All right, y'all ready? We're gonna do a little celebration. I don't know what you're celebrating. Whether it's a birthday, who's celebrating a birthday? Who's celebrating an anniversary? Who's celebrating a honeymoon? Or even a divorce? Whatever you're celebrating, this is your party. We do got your entertainment family out here, making sure that we have phenomenal shows every single night. Make some noise for your playlist performers! Taking care of those junior cruisers out there, we also have your youth staff. And of course, your celebrity DJ all the way from St. Vincent. Make some noise for DJ Rizzo! Now, I want to introduce you to your fun squad. These are going to be the ones partying with you all cruise long. First up, coming all the way from Mexico, let's make some noise for Rico! He's all the way from Canada. Put your hands together for Tristan! Your next star is all the way from Jamaica. Her name is Tanisha, but if you're nasty, you can call her Sunshine. Your next star is the Queen of England and your bingo host. Make some noise for the beautiful Lucky Lindsay. All right, also from Mexico, let's put our hands together for the beautiful Noelle. Make some noise for Chrissy! Hey. What we gonna do right now is find out your name and where you're from.
I'm Brian, I'm from Lubbock, Texas.
You've been entered into a rump shaking competition, alright? DJ, hit that song. What's your name?
My name is Laura. I'm from Vanderbilt, Texas.
Laura from Texas. All right, Laura. DJ, hit that song for Laura. What we got for her? What's your name and where you from?
Terry from Port Arthur, Texas.
Alright, we got Terry. Terry! Let's see what you got, DJ. Hit that music. What's your name and where you from?
Amanda from Houston, Texas.
We got Amanda from Houston, Texas, throwing up the H's. DJ Rizzo, hit that song! from, sir?
Alex, Irving, Texas.
We got Alex from Texas. DJ Rizzo, hit that song.
Cash money,
What's your name?
Angela Roberts.
Wait, don't say your last name. People will stalk you on Facebook. So Angela.
You know this, right?
I know because I get stalked already. Okay. Where you from, beautiful?
I am from all the way from Marshall, Texas.
Marshall, Texas. Alright guys, put your hands together for all our contestants. They did a great job. But only one of them can be the winner this afternoon. Make some noise for number one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. And number six. The winner is number two! He said he ain't got no butt, but he gonna shake that back. You get a bottle of champagne, sir, in a Carnival Breeze trophy. Congratulations. You're welcome so much. Now it's time to get this party started. Come on, bring it in, everybody. We're gonna start out with a few line dances that everyone knows. The first one is called the Cupid Shuffle. DJ, hit that music. Alright guys, we're gonna face your celebrity DJ. Rizzo rocking it out. Alright guys, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Right, to the right, to the right, to the right, not left, to the left, to the left, to the left, go. Alright, now you can do this with your seat, you can do this with your shake it. Now this is actually the remix, alright?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a pandemic happening on cruise ships right now. No, it's not COVID. That's over with. Ish. What I'm talking about is something much different. I believe you can call it Funshipis Toomuchus. It results in your wives and daughters taking naps when they're not supposed to on the first day of a cruise. But alas, there is a cure. It might not be a favorable cure, as long as it gets the job done.
I got thunderstruck too hard. I made anything in that.
Charlie, you certainly don't have a case of Funshipis Toomuchus.
I have fun.
Funshipis Toomuchus.
Funshipis
Funshipis Maximus.